Senate Judiciary and Codes Ranking Member Anthony Palumbo.
Thank you, Chairman. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. I look forward to the testimony today, and I won't be twice as long. I'll be quite brief. But I do certainly look forward to our discussions regarding the data, because there are other anecdotal aspects, I think, that many people have pontificated about why we have certain fluctuations in data and crime, and we really do want to get down to brass tacks. And I see that, you know, we've had an increase, a spike in crime in 2020, immediately after these reforms. Many reforms were implemented, and it was attributed to the pandemic. And I get it. That's something that we can never really establish. We can never really be sure, right? We have no idea. But we were shut down. The numbers stayed at a particular level. And then I'm looking even through the testimony for our witnesses that we're about to hear from. In the written testimony, we've got trends from 2021 to 2022 have spiked significantly. So now we're out of the pandemic. Now we need to really, truly look at these numbers and see that all of these crimes have increased significantly. When we've got, for example, and I'm looking even at just page 4 as far as crime trends, that there was, at one point, they did have a decline, of course, as I said, in 2020. Through September 2022, statewide crime has increased 29%. That's the DCJS numbers, of course. Violent crime increased 16%. Property crime increased 33% compared to the same period in 2021. So data does speak volumes. And I would like to even hear from our witnesses throughout the day as to how they feel or what they believe these trends are based upon, because we can never really know, right? We can't get inside the heads of these individuals, but we can look at these numbers. And you see, poll-wise, I know we've had some discussions, those of us in elected office, as to reasons why, but just recently I believe Sienna said 93% of New Yorkers believe crime is a problem. So whether it's just simple perception or reality, we need to get to the bottom of that. So I'm glad that we're doing this. I know that the governor has increased or indicated a willingness to make some changes. That might have something to do with the timeliness of this, 2 days before our budget of our hearing. So I really look forward to going through these numbers and really getting down to the meat of it, because when we get inside those numbers is where I think we can really see some trends and make some changes that are going to make New York a safer place. Thank you, Chairman.